Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh.
Hi, unboxing and demo of the Garmin Approach R10 launch monitor. This launch monitor can help you improve your game at home, indoors or on the driving range with a portable launch monitor. It is waterproof IPX7. You can track key metrics when paired with a compatible smartphone with the Garmin Golf app to help better your shot consistency, including club head speed, ball speed, swing tempo, ball spin, launch angle and more. It may help you understand your golf strengths and areas for improvement by using training mode, which tracks stats for each club and shows a shot dispersion chart based on estimated ball flight using the Garmin Golf app. Also, with an active subscription and the Garmin Golf app, play virtual rounds on over 42,000 courses around the world and take part in a weekly tournament with scores posted to our global leaderboard. Included phone mount easily attaches to a golf bag for better viewing and easier interaction with the Garmin Golf app. Enjoy more time on the range with up to 10 hours of battery life. With the weather changing gives you the chance to squeeze in a round of golf from your garden in under an hour. Outstanding improvement aid. I'm using with the net in the back garden. Super fun. When using the simulator indoors, I highly encourage the Titleist RCT golf balls as it accurately tracks spin due to the reflective layer underneath the ball's cover. If you don't have these balls, it's an algorithm to estimate spin which can be misleading to true spin numbers. If you're trying to fit yourself for a new driver, you need those golf balls. Without these balls, my spin was estimated to be around 4,000 RPM, which I know is inaccurate. Once I put the balls in play, my spin dropped to my expected 1900 to 2200 number at 114 miles per hour club head speed. Hope you liked this video. Have a nice day.
Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh. More than 1,200 Apple product related videos. Thank you for viewing, subscribing, sharing and liking.